You guys know why I'm here, right? It's time to make it modest. To make a video because Valentine's Day is coming up and I know you guys got a lot of dates you guys may be going on. Single me sheds a tear. So even though I'm not going on a date, I don't have a date or no man or nothing like that, it's good to just show some inspo on how to have some date night outfits. So for all my girlies that's like, oh, it's too cold outside, or I want to be more covered, maybe this might be a first date, or you just want to dress more covered, these are some go-to looks that you can go for. I'm going to show you guys our different varieties of looks. Like we have different colors, different types of ideas. But remember, like I always tell you guys, your girl is apostolic. Because I'm apostolic, most of the clothes I wear involves a skirt or a long skirt or a long dress. I told you last time, remember, imagine these maybe pants, so you place it with pants or something like that. Are you guys excited? Because I am. First look I'm going to show you is what I got on right now. I definitely love this outfit. I definitely layered the turtleneck under another top. I want to do like an all black look to like implement a different color, which was the white boots or the snakeskin boots, but I would definitely say I'm going to stick with the white boots because I think the white boots give it that flair. This type of looks giving kind of like posh, I guess, or like cutesy. So I would definitely say I would probably top this with a small bag. Nothing too big, nothing too crazy. If you're going on a date, you shouldn't even have a big huge bag because he paying, right? So the outfit I'm showing you now is a color blocking outfit. I would say it's kind of color blocking, but we're going to use one simple color and we're going to just basically kind of layer off of that. The main color that you see is kind of like a, I want to say a tangerine, but it's like a burnt orange. Boots are burnt orange. Dress with the satin in it. The satin that's on the dress, it has burnt orange to it too. But let's say wear like a clutch, a handbag, a little small tote bag or something like that. This look right here is definitely one of my favorites. Those looks that's like bon appetit. Outfit right here, I wore this outfit for my birthday one time. This might even be birthday inspo pics too. It's still like a go-to outfit, I would say, definitely for date night. Everything I get is from the thrift store, but I can tell you that that top came from Boohoo and that skirt came from Boohoo too. Paired it with another nice purse. It came with jewelry and everything. It was very simple and elegant. Before y'all go to dinner, this is an outfit you probably wear to go to brunch or lunch or something like that. He love this outfit right here. It's cute. It kills. Now with this outfit right here, I love the pink ruffles. The heels is paired off with it because it has like the polka dot look feel to it. It's simple with jewelry again, and the purse. This is a very comfortable outfit to walk around in. It's giving tea. So yes, those are the 4 looks for you guys for date night or for Valentine's Day, whatever you guys do or wherever you guys go. I know it's going to be a blessing. Remember to keep your hands to yourself if you're not married. Do you understand? You don't even have to wear this just for B-Day, but if you taking God on a date or you going out, there's some go-to outfits that you can basically wear. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this because I definitely enjoyed this. I want to say thank you guys again for the 100 subscribers, well, 153 subscribers. And I love y'all, adore y'all, and see you guys next time.